All right. All right, we are live. Perfect. Exactly at 8 a.m. All right, I'm going to send out to the Discord that we're live. All right. What is up, guys? And turn on my headphones. Yo, where did all my Yo, where did all my indicators go, bro? Are you serious? Bro, really? Bro, what is going on, bro? Do I really have to restart my trading view? All right, there we go. Oh, what's up, Josh? Here, I'm gonna call you. Yo, what's up? I'm gonna unmute you on stream. All right, there we go. All right. You don't yap the whole time, so I'm fine with being in a call with you. But anyone else I try to be in a call with, they just we got 25 or 28 minutes. All right, chat. Chat, who's taking this short? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, what do you mean that was a horrible fill? What happened? Sorry guys, I'm posting on my Instagram that I'm starting the stream. So I'll forward test this long setup if we get it. I'm not taking anything though. Till after NFP. I don't trade before 8:30 anyways. Yo, what is this volume, bro? You see how much volume we have right now?
It's so weird.
I draw a stop loss in pre-market and it's bro, it's 40 tick stop loss pre-market, bro. How do you have a 40 point stop loss pre-market? So I'm low key proud of my last month. Last month I ended the month up 1K. I started this month down. Right now I'm down 260 this month. I took one loss. So, and I risked 500 a trade. So I'm down half a trade. So I'm not even that bad.
Yeah, what?
Bro, ew, bro. Look what I sent you on Instagram. Don't worry, it's not no, it's not like an Indian thing. Bro. Bro, do I keep doing that or what? Alright. Yo, Josh,
Yeah,
bro, you should like my stream.
I did. I did. Don't worry. I got you.
Are you streaming right now?
No, no.
You're not doing a YN stream?
Actually, maybe I should. That's okay.
Yo, Josh,
Hey, what's up?
I'm gonna screen share something, bro. I'm doing some shopping. Don't worry, I'm not spending any money right now. I already spent so much money, bro. Oh wait, they restocked stuff? Yo, wait. Ew, bro. Why aren't they restocking these, bro? These are actually like these are so goated. I have a pair of these. I have two pairs of these. I want to get more, but just all gone except for yellow, bro. I don't know nobody that wants to wear yellow.
What did you?
Yeah. Oh, look, bro. I hope that they still have this because this looks so good. Bro, this new drop that they did. Please tell me they restocked it, bro. This drop looks so good. Hey, bro, is that not hard, bro?
That's tough. That nigga's big though.
Bro, have you seen the type of people that go to my gym?
Yeah, I think he showed me a little bit.
Bro, this guy owns the gym I go to. He's there all the time.
Sebum.
Yeah. But bro, I didn't even know this that they did that. That's his own shirt. You know that, right?
Oh, that's his. That's his shit.
Do you not see it?
No, but
See how
he
see,
owns Gymshark.
no, he doesn't own Gymshark.
Oh,
He
okay.
did a collab with them. I can tell because do you see the difference?
Jim Thark.
Yeah, he has a lisp. Do you know what a lisp is?
Yeah, I know what it was. That's actually kind of funny.
Bro, he did that with his pre-workout. He owns a pre-workout brand. See?
Oh,
Some of the pre-workouts are actually not that bad. It doesn't have a crazy amount of caffeine in it, but it's a little chalky when you mix it with water. But they actually restocked some of this. I want to get some of it.
fish level. Unpopular friendly test.
I did not expect a Gymshark drop to do this good, bro. Cuz normally I don't like Gymshark. I have some stuff from them. All right, we got 15 minutes.
Rich, the elite, the
But should I do a TikTok live?
Get some more viewers. Yeah.
you and everything on you. Just
The only problem is I got to do it on my phone because it stopped letting me connect it to my PC live stream. Okay, bro. I went live, bro. I'll hold my phone up. Bro, I don't know how to do any of the TikTok live stuff, bro. It's weird.
You did it once, it looked clean. But that was, I'm guessing, I was on your computer, right?
Yeah. But I turn my camera around. Bro, it's like I need a tripod to hold up my phone. Bro, yo, Loki, I do have one. Wait, I could do that. I Loki do have a tripod I can set up my phone on. Should I do that? I gotta go get it out the car.
I mean, if you want to.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab it. I'm gonna go grab it. That's what you should have. That's not average. Apparently, 90% of Americans don't even have like. All right, I'm back. I'm back. I got my tripod that I use for the gym, bro. That's what I'm setting up with for my TikTok thing. What's up? This should be on the Logan Trades account. Oh, all right. I'm gonna set it up right here. How do I turn this around? I just liked my stream. Flip camera. Oh, bro, the TikTok live setup. It's crazy, bro. Yo, but this is so weird. I don't want to knock my tripod over. All right. Yo, Josh, you taking the short?
Nope.
No, I'm just kidding.
In queue right now.
No, I'm waiting. Yo, what was that overnight move, bro? That is crazy.
Yeah, London, not London session really did something.
Yo, 400, bro. No, what? Okay, not even in London, bro. Oh, wait, no, that was in London, right? No, that's not in London.
Had to be.
This was after London. At 6 a.m., we dumped 450 points. Bro, after London, like the candle after London closed, we dumped from that candle, bro, we dumped 755 points, bro. What? That's actually insane. Oh, what's up, Elijah? Bro, Elijah's in both streams, bro. Bro, what?
Okay.
I'm in the TikTok one though after NFP comes out. Bro, I had it set up to where it streamed on both, but I just set up my phone because it's not working. Alright, what's up? We're finally getting some people in the YouTube one. I get it because I started it really early. I started at like 8. NFP doesn't come out till 8:30. I started at exactly 8. We still got 7 minutes till NFP. Yo, Loki, you mess with this one?
Yeah, I like the red on it.
Alright, I'm gonna get that one. I like this one too, but this one they don't have it anymore. My opportunity is gone. They don't have any of them anymore, any of the tank top ones. Bro, I don't wear hoodies at the gym. I don't know how people wear hoodies at the gym. Damn, we hit 1K likes on the TikTok live. I don't really have anything to talk about until news comes out, so we're kind of just waiting. Bro, it's so annoying that this one sold out, bro. All of the tank tops sold out, bro. What is this one? Let me get this one. You mess with this one? Oh, the logo, bro. Oh, the logo's different. That's it. What's the difference, though? I don't know. I can't tell. All right, we still got 4 minutes, guys, until NFP comes out. Yo, Josh, have you ever looked for a news thing before?
Yeah.
Oh, you have really? You've been on here for NFP before? Bro, even your trades, like I know you're on the higher time frame, I still wouldn't recommend you trade with NFP there.
Yeah, I usually don't.
Bro, because NFP could give you like 100 point move, like instantly. I feel like that could mess up one of your trades, even though your trade's on the higher time frame. I feel like 100 points is a lot.
Let the real stay. Let the fake be gone. 3 minutes.
Yep. Yeah, people normally start to join up my stream like after 8:30, and then especially after 9:30 when market opens. All right. How long we have? We have 1 minute left. All right. Let's see. What do you think it's gonna be? Bullish or bearish, bro?
Yo, to be honest, with this drop, it might be bullish.
Yo, no way we touched into 17,000s, bro. I knew we were coming to 17,000. I really wanted us to. This is where we were at the end of 2024
That's
because we dipped in 2024.
created.
I really wanted us to come to this. All right, let's see. My guess is bearish. Bearish. Okay. Oh, leave a wick. Yes, let's go. All right. Hopefully we leave that wick there. Please leave that wick. So Josh, if we leave this wick, do you know why it's such a good like draw on liquidity? Like it's not just because it came out of news. Well yeah. That's why, but you saw how quick we made you saw how quick we went up and came back down. It's like it didn't give it's like with news, it moves so quickly that people don't really have time to respond. So orders, there's a bunch of unfilled orders there because it moves so quickly. It wasn't able to fill all the orders. So that's what makes it so much stronger. than just a regular high. All right. So now we have an obvious draw on liquidity here. Maybe we get a sweep of this, look for a long, maybe a sweep of this, look for a long. Yo, Josh, do you have multiple charts up on your screen at the same time?
Only. No, actually, I don't.
You don't use SMTs? Oh no, you don't. Cause you make Clyde jokes every time I bring one up. Bro, if we don't get a setup to this, bro, I'm hoping that it's not a 15-second, bro. There's a 15-second setup here. I'm hoping this is not our setup to the data highs. Yeah, NFP was... That was an 87-point wick. Or no, the wick wasn't 87 points. 56 points is just the wick. And it made equal highs on something, bro. What? I really don't want this 15-second. I want us to come back down and sweep this, bro. Please reject. I don't want to take this 15-second, so. I really don't. I want it to come back and sweep these lows first. That would look so much better. All right, we're probably going for that high. I'm not taking a 15-second, not one that looks like this anyways. But we're probably going to take out that high.
I'm in a Bitcoin trade right now.
Please don't, bruh. Please don't, bruh. You're going to post today, Elijah? But please don't take out, bro. Come on, bro. Bro, what is the wick on the 1 minute is an 87-point wick, bro. That's actually crazy. Probably just gonna have to look for a short off that highs then, because we're not getting anything here. Besides that 15-second. Please don't hit. I really don't want this to hit right now. Bro, way earlier, I know you're saying, bro, that's NFP, but if you look on the 1 minute, bro, it's an 87-point wick, bro. That's actually crazy. We just had insane volume this morning. For no reason. Like, I don't know why pre-market had such crazy amounts of volume. Bro, please don't hit this high. Please come back down. I really want us to come back. But that high is such a strong draw on liquidity that I think we are gonna hit it based on that 15-second. But that 15-second just was not, it wasn't worth the risk to reward for me. It was a 0.8 risk to reward to full TP. So it's negative RR. And it's the 15-second, so it's not really, I don't prefer 15-second setups. Like if we come back down here and sweep this, something like even just this. We'll see. We're gonna see what we get here, or if we get anything. So we have this set up at 200 just for now. I don't know if that's what I'm gonna end up using, but so if I do this, it should come up right. Okay, good. Okay, this is good. I like that we're coming back down here. If it closed below this 1 minute, then I wouldn't be looking for a long off of this. There we go. Josh, what did you take on Bitcoin? You took a short?
Nah, I took I'm in a long, but I've been in this long for a while, so
On what time frame?
15 minute. Yo, I was gonna say, watch out for there's some fair value gaps on the 15-minute time frame on Nas.
Yeah, I know.
No,
That's fine though. I'm only looking for data highs, so SMT at the lows here. Not gonna lie, when we have news like this, I don't even really check the higher time frame.
I hear that.
Especially when it's like when we get a wick like this, I don't even look for it. All right, so we just swept there. Okay, so this 2 minute does not look bad. It's probably gonna be negative R though. Yeah, I would have to target 1 hour. And it's not normally a smart total. Okay. Never mind, we're just dumping here. Let's see. Kind of want this 2 minute to reject now if we pull back into it. Just because we don't really have any structure here on the lower time frames to look for a good risk to reward long setup. Because this 2 minute just is still negative R. Do we have any SMTs? No, we don't have any SMTs right now.
Moving stops.
What's a break even?
Yeah, basically swing low.
So we swept that. Seems like we're souping that low. We might be. This might be our data wick setup. But I'm really hoping not. This stop loss is gonna be giant, bro. Like, gonna have to target past data wick. if we want to take this. A 100-point stop loss, bro. Yo, that's crazy. All right, good. We're rejecting it. I want us to get something better here on the lower time frame. Maybe we come and soup this low. That would look good. If we sweep this low, that would give us a good setup, or could give us a good setup. All right, so might end up getting this 2 minute here. Yo, 2 micros is crazy, bruh. I can only use 2 micros. That's how big my stop loss is. Bro, guess how big the stop loss is gonna be if I get this trade.
Let me see.
Bro, it's 100-point stop loss.
Risk it. I say risk it. I'm joking.
Well, I'm risking the same amount of money. I just lower my contracts, but that's such a crazy stop loss size. All right, so this is what I want. So I hope we keep projecting this, come back down, resweep these lows, and get along. That would be my dream scenario right now. Do we have an SMT with the highs? No, we did not sweep them. So ES did not sweep them either. So all right. Bro, 15-second. There's a 15-second long here. I'm not taking it though. 15-second. 15 seconds kind of like 15 seconds kind of crazy. It's really like you have to be really picky if you take a 15-second setup. And the 15-second was not invalid there, but it was so close to break even that it wouldn't even be worth taking. So let's see if we get this 2 minute here. Dang. Yeah, 15 seconds not bad. I'm just really picky with my setups on it. Yeah, what was that pullback, bro? Ooh, rejected that 30-second hard. Bro, I might just end up having to just do 1 micro, bro.
Hope you don't slip and fall on my love.
Let's see. Okay, so no inverse there, so there's no entry there. Please, I want this to, I want this 2 minute to reject now, bro. Yo, Josh,
Yeah, what's up?
what are you doing?
Nothing right now. I'm just still watching my trade.
Did the NFP affect Bitcoin?
Yeah, I did. I think it actually did.
Did it mess up your trade or help your trade?
No, nothing. Nah, I didn't mess it at all.
Yo, Josh, one sec.
Yeah.
All right. How long we have? Okay, we have 30 seconds to see if we get this. 2 minute here. I'm gonna end up just going in with one con, bro. Okay, so I'm in there. Break even's gonna be at the data wick. Check for SMTs. Okay, no SMT there. All right. All right. And 1R. It's right here.
Owl speaks at 12 or 11:25.
Oh, that last 30 second did not inverse. I mean, it's data wick, so it should. Damn, bro. All right, I might move stop. I'm probably gonna move stops to break even at this high right here. Did we create an SMT at that low there? In the 30 seconds? No, we did not. All right, so let's see. All right, so I'm gonna move stops to break even there. Cause really, if we're gonna hit this data high, bro, we should just do it. And I'm stopped at break even there. Did I lose any from that? I lost $1. All right, let's see if this break even saves me. I don't normally like going for one risk to reward, which a lot of you guys know, but I don't really want to target like far past that high. And I don't normally move stops to break even, but the risk to reward for this is just not. There's no really, I don't know. Not taking a good luck though. Okay, nothing covered with this 2 minute. We do have a 15 second here. This 15-second doesn't look bad. I get it, bro. We didn't close above this 30-second here. The 30-second seems to be holding us down. Or that's a 15-second. Wait. Did we close above the 30-second? We did close above the 30-second. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. This 15-second doesn't look bad. Delivery.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see. All right. Is there SMT there? Okay, no SMTs. What? Wrong chart. Wrong chart. Wrong chart. Right. Basically 1R to that data wick. Okay, so there is an SMT there. I'm gonna move stops to break even with that SMT. Ooh. Come on, run that data high. Why are we chopping around data high right now, bro? Come on, bro. Really? Really, bro? Why do I always do that? Come on. We're right at data highs. There's no reason for us to chop here. I'm gonna try and get a little bit of a better fill. I'm gonna put my TP right there. Come on, bro. My camera died there. Bro. We don't even have an SMT. What are we doing? Just take the data high. Oh my gosh, bro. Where do you see this?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Really? What are we doing, dude? This makes no sense. Oh my gosh, bro. Second break even to the dead eyes. Yeah, well, it fixed my -1 from the previous break even. Bro, like, what are we doing? Really, dude? Like, that close to that high, and we're just gonna do this? Someone in the Discord said, break even on my long to that highs, it's about to hit. But this is not hitting right now, bro.
Wait, you never wait. Reverse. Oh, might be. Wait, that's not a fair value gap. I'm tripping.
Bro, I'm gonna send to the Discord. 2 for 2 break even. Bro, my friend, yo, my friend that doesn't even trade, bro. He said I go break even all the time. So he's like, bro's the break even king, bro.
Guy in your chat said $2 up at least. He said break even king. Wow.
Okay, so we do have this long here. We're not really delivering from anything. Do we have an ES, like S&T or something? I have an S&T. This isn't exactly a setup, so. Um, 2 for 2 break even. Bro, I want to tag my friend in that. Bro, this is so sad, bro. With these data highs right now. All right, let me check the YouTube stream. How long until market open? Damn, bro, we still have like 30 minutes till market open.
Oh, actually, yeah, 30 minutes. Let me see.
Did that stop the break even save me? Technically I would still be in, but I hope it saves me. Normally stop the break even does save you. Though someone like Dodgy doesn't move stops to break even. But it's data wick. So he wouldn't have been stopped out yet. Or stopped, yeah, he wouldn't have been stopped at break even yet. But bro, there's no reason for us to be chopping near this data high like this, dude. Yo, what is going on right now, dude? Not gonna lie, bro. Oh, that was loud.
Yeah.
Yo, TikTok live is a hack to gain followers on TikTok, bro. I'm not even lying. I've gained 7 followers since I started my TikTok live. That's wild, bro.
It's more than wild. That's amazing.
Normally, bro, I gain like 1 or 2 followers a day on TikTok, bro, and I just gained 7. It's kind of crazy. Yo, I really want us to dump here so I don't regret moving my stop to break even. I'm actually like, bro, what is this price action? You see this?
Yeah.
You looked at NQ?
Not really. Like NQ's. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking for sells on NQ, but that only if it reaches. Hold on. Where is it? If it reaches, where's that level? Like 20.
Bro, watch it run the data highs, bro. After stopping me to break even.
Yeah,
Please, okay, bro. Please do not run the high. And it ran the highs. Of course, bro. Of course, bro. Bro, Dodgy, I guarantee you, did not move his stop loss to break even. Just that high above. Even though the setup looked like trash. I only took it because it was still that high. Revenge done. What do you mean revenge done? If you took that 30-second, you got stopped out. Or you should have gotten stopped out. Did you miss anything today? Well, if you took the two, if you wanted to take this 2 minute with negative R, then you hit the data high for a long, and then the 15-second data high setup I took right here with delivery would have hit if I didn't move stop to break even. But I moved stop to break even, bro, because we were close to that high. I know it says 8 points, but that's close considering the fact that it was looking for 60 points or 70 points. Remember you were saying you wanted my short to not work? Remember? Then I got stopped at break even. Oh. Bro, it's not that I didn't want the short to. It's not that I wanted you. I said I didn't. I don't want you guys to get stopped. But at the same time, I was mad that I didn't take it. All right. Now price is just chopping, so we might have to wait for market open. No more news today. Or until 11:25, which I won't even be on my charts then. Bro, should I move? Yo, Josh.
Yo.
One of the rules that Dodgy has is when it's a data high setup. Look at this. You see my screen share?
Yo, I thought my heart dropped for a second. Oh, you
What?
stopped streaming. Oh my gosh, my heart almost dropped.
What?
Okay, anyways, continue. Cause it just nah. I thought my shit hit my stop loss because I have an alert, but it hit my
Okay.
first pocket.
So you see this, right? So
Okay.
I took this long off of here.
Inverse.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I see that.
But I moved my stop to break even after we took out this, right? Because obviously, bro, I felt like we weren't
You
gonna.
took out where? Oh, those highs right there.
Yeah, this right here.
Okay. Oh, the recent high. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I hear that.
And like I was looking for this data high, but at the same time, bro, like does it not look like we're going for the data highs, but it also seems like we're not. Like, see how we rejected it here? Like it just,
Yeah.
I don't know. Like I didn't want to like play around and not move my stop to break even. You can see here, we never got stopped out if I didn't close, but like you see how it came all the way down here, bro.
I have a question though. I have a
What?
question for you, like personally. Then, do you think on an A plus setup that you shouldn't even no on an A plus setup when even if you do move your stops to break even, it should hit your TP. Like that's an A plus setup right there.
Yeah, bro. We have data high. We have delivery from here. I mean, there's no liquidity sweep. We have delivery from here.
I mean, you
Um,
can't get mad at it. You can't get mad at it.
I
It
don't know,
should have,
bro.
but it didn't today.
Yeah, I don't know why I didn't just run the data highs.
Can't get mad at it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you get it.
Let me see, but I guarantee you Dodgy didn't. Oh no, Dodgy didn't take that. That was a 15-second setup. There's no way he took that. He doesn't take 15-second setups. Never mind. Dodgy didn't take that. Why didn't you take why didn't I take the 3 minute? I did. I took that long, but I took the 2 minute one.
Are you still streaming? What the heck?
Yeah, I'm still streaming.
Oh, the heck. Well, then your shit just froze for me.
I guess, yeah, looking for shorts now. Um, There's nothing really else the market seems like it wants to do as of recent. I feel like shorts are higher probability right now than anything else. Am I wrong, Josh?
It's in a 15-minute fair value gap. Actually, I'm looking at Bitcoin. What am I saying? But yeah, it just wicked the 15-minute fair value gap, but there is another one on top of it, so it might go to like
No, I'm saying
22,000 too.
no, I'm saying does it not seem like shorts are higher probability right now?
I mean, yeah,
Because the
but it
market's
might
just
go to
dumping.
it might go higher a little bit though before dumping. But yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
I kind of we just made relative equal highs with this. Kind of want us to take that out now.
Arch nemesis NQ.
For the 3 minute, should we stop loss to break even at the 3 minute internal high? I don't know. I don't know where that is. 3 minute also got inversed. Either way, it would have gone stopped at break even. Which is fine. It's better than taking a loss. But I was really hoping the break even would have saved us. All right.
I low.
Yeah, Sean MK, I am looking for shorts. Or Lopez asked me. I am looking for shorts, but we gotta get a good short set in order for me to do that. And I kind of do you have an SMT at those highs? No, we don't have an SMT at those highs. Kind of want us to sweep that high, but I'll be looking for shorts now. Sorry, I was talking about the room for a second.
No, do what you have to do, man.
Do what I have to do.
That.
Can I do what I have? Can I do what I want to do to you?
You're on stream.
I know I'm on stream. Bro, I want these relative equal highs to hit first. I need to see if they have this though. Yo, what do you think about these shorts, bro? Wait. Oh, that's women's. Wait. There we go. Yo, what am I looking at? How do I? Bro, no way they make rest day shorts. What? They don't have it anymore? Yo, they don't have the shorts anymore. I wanted to get the same shorts I already have, but in black. They don't have them anymore. That's crazy.
Hmm.
Oh, they do have it. What? Why wasn't it just on there? These ones. Oh, they have them. No way they're in stock.
I can't see. I can't see.
Oh wait, I got a screen share. I'm a little stupid. But these are hard. I have the gray ones. There's a problem with gray. You get like
Yeah,
sweat
get
on
the
your.
fucking print.
Then you get sweat on your like, bro, right down the middle, bro. Bro, that's the problem with gray shorts, bro. But I have those. I want to get these ones though. These ones go hard. But I like that. I like the ripped thing, bro. Am I wrong? Like that ripped kind of bottom looks good. Okay, so now we're kind of just doing whatever. I'm waiting though. NFP was kind of underwhelming today. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, the YouTube stream is 1 like away from being at 5 likes. All right, 1 second. Guys, can we get one more like on the YouTube stream? Hey, bro, what should I full port? Hey, bro, what should I full port shorts on today? I wouldn't recommend full porting shorts. Not gonna lie. I would not recommend full porting shorts. Boy, what's so funny, Josh?
God, nigga said full port shorts.
I mean, it's been working, bro. Did you not see that overnight move, bro? Bro, why at 6 in the morning? Why at 6 in the morning did we dump 500 points in like, yo? That was how long? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yo, in 25 minutes we dumped 500 points. You know that, right?
That's some insider trading.
Bro, low key, that probably is some insider trading, bro. So someone said that they think we're going to 12K on NQ. Bro, I don't think we're going to 12K on NQ.
I'll put my whole life savings if they go on 12.
That's COVID lows.
Exactly.
Yo, this 3 minute short, I just don't like to be left relative equal highs above. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe forward test this, but Lopez, this looks like it's closing really far. We're gonna win so much that you might even get tired of winning. Bro, this is just short term, bro. The market's not staying this low. I'm telling you, the market's not staying this low. Of course, my stupid alarm's going off, bro. I need to turn off my alarms, bro. But yeah, bro, like, you really just have to like remember this is short term. The market's not staying this low. It's really not. This is just because he's putting in tariffs right now, which is gonna end up helping the market in the long run. So the U.S. stock market will go up because we're gonna have better business in the U.S. versus out of the U.S. So there's SMT at those lows. So if you did take that, if I took that, I would have moved stop to break even. Or no SMT there. So yeah, that would have just been a straight up stop at break even. It did touch that low. So, and that would have been stopped out right there at break even. And we have a 1 minute long here. We are very, very far in premium, so I don't even want to long here. But we did sweep this low by like 1 tick. But how much was my TPT account? I think it was 100 with no activation fee. TPT has like same day payouts, and you can request daily. Like you can request literally at the end of every day. So let's say you're at the point where you can get payouts now, and you built up that like buffer. You can take a trade for $800 and withdraw it the same day. You can actually withdraw twice a day with TPT. So I could take a trade, withdraw $800, and then take another trade and withdraw again. Yeah, bro. I'm pretty sure. Give me a second. I'm pulling them up. You guys know who More Trades is? Powell Trades. I'm pretty sure More. Let me see. I'm pretty sure he withdraws with them every single day.
Kind of sick.
Can't find it. Um, I swear he made a video. He was like, this is why I use TPT and you shouldn't. But yeah, TPT does pay out. It might not have been More Trades. I don't know. I've seen a video on my page. Now maybe this 3 minute here or 2 minute. I don't want to look for longs though. And if I took that 2 minute short, it would have been stopped at break even already. So I don't even regret not taking it. I'm thinking maybe a confirmation setup. Maybe we pull back into this 3 minute here a little bit more and get like a 30-second or a 1 minute short here. It's kind of what I'm looking for. Yo, I gained even more, bro.
Up the TikTok?
Yeah, I'm up 9. That's kind of crazy, bro. TikTok live is like a glitch, bro. And I'm doing my normal stream, so it's kind of just. I can add a live goal. How do I add a live goal? What? How do I do that?
I'm not fucking logged in.
How do I do that?
Think
Damn, bro. No short setups, bro. Oh, market's not even open yet, bro. We still have so much time today. Holy crap. I didn't even know that. Oh, yo.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's that.
I
I've seen
know.
those pants before.
I know, but oh, come on.
Those are for girls, no?
I know.
It's okay though.
There's no way they already sold out, bro. Dude, they just restocked them, bro.
How much they go for it? 69. Wow.
Bro, I've been trying to get these for so long. Obviously not for me.
Yeah.
But bro, come on, bro. Been trying to get both of these, bro. These ones are nice too, bro. Bro, why is this so hard for them just to? Oh, we're making equal lows. Okay, this would not be bad if we leave the equal lows, come back up and get a sweep. That'd be a good target. Wait, oh, I can read the TikTok chat on my computer. I don't want to listen to it. Wait, oh, I can read the TikTok chat. I can't read the TikTok chat on my computer.
It's on the right side. I just seen it.
Yeah, I got it like this.
You can even take it out too.
What?
You can take it out where it says live chat on the left of it. Top right. It says yeah, that arrow. That should make you pop it out. Oh, never mind.
Bro, look at this, bro.
That's broken.
It is broken, bro, because you know that doing that boosts your live.
Yeah.
That's how my stream's already at 3,300 likes, bro. Elijah was doing it too, bro. Elijah was spamming likes on my stream.
W Elijah.
Yeah, we like Elijah. Bro, Elijah's my friend from work when I used to work at McDonald's. Oh, no way we leave these equal lows, bro. I would be happy if we get a setup to these. Bro. Wait, why did I even check my phone, bro? I have the stream up on my computer. Bro, I'm gonna crash out if these sell out that fast again, bro. What are you playing, bro?
Fucking friends being idiots.
There's no way, bro. Oh, come on, dude. No way we're taking out this equal lows already. All right. Well, now we have nothing to target. Of course, it's the 925 candle that does that. So we do have market open soon though. Could get a Judas swing, 930 wick. Could get anything. So we got 4 minutes.
No slip and fall, my love.
Yeah, bro. There's no way. Why do they? So unfortunate, bro. You think Nvidia is going even lower? What is Nvidia doing right now? Oh, I forgot that regular stock charts look like that, bro. Because it doesn't show after hours. Nvidia could go to here. But we did just take out this. I know we haven't taken out this low yet. I don't know. Why did you just unmute? Why were you muted in the first place?
I was muted.
Bro, I'm about to crash out on you if you don't tell me why you were muted.
I was gooning.
What? See, bro, like, what is wrong with you? Why are you laughing like that about it, bro? Why are you laughing about it?
Because you put this fucking word in my head and I'm mad. Like, and all I can do is laugh, bro.
How long until market open? I don't trade Nvidia, so I'm not 100% sure. I trade NQ. I trade futures. Edgar. Messages. Why do I have messages?
Your girl's sending you TikToks, man.
No, they're TikTok messages. Oh well, okay, you said TikToks. They're TikToks on my trading thing, my trading account. Yo, I actually have to tell you some stuff, bro. I actually have to tell you some stuff. I forgot to tell you yesterday, but I gotta wait till my stream's over.
Yeah.
Edgar, right now is a good time to buy Nvidia though. Not saying it's gonna go up right now. Like, don't I personally wouldn't day trade it, but what I would do is, since we're so far down, I mean, long term investments would just be, it just seems really smart. It's down 30% as a stock, just in general. Went from 150 down to 100. So if it's down 33% like that, I mean, I feel like it'd be a smart idea to buy. I was thinking of buying Nvidia with my investment account. Okay, that was market open there. And bro, what is going on with these charts right now? Oh my gosh. Does market open affect Bitcoin?
Yeah, I did.
Really?
Yeah.
I never looked at Bitcoin at market open. It does affect it, just very little though.
Yeah.
You don't even notice it trading on the hourly though.
No, you no, not at all.
with Bitcoin anyways. I feel like you notice like
See them more on the
an
5 minute.
NFP on the hourly though. On NQ. Not today though. Sometimes like today we had a wick, so it didn't really move. It didn't really change it too much. We ended up taking out the wick pretty quickly. Um, but sometimes NFP will just straight up pump like 200 points. Really, bro? No fair value gap there, bro. What is going on? We have no fair value gaps right now. Only thing we have is this one that we're delivering from, but we have no setup shorts.
You look at the DXY.
What's DXY?
It's indices like the dollar, US dollar.
Oh, it does the opposite.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. No, I don't look at that. Thank you for trading with Jack, for sharing the live, bro. Thank you. That's W. Yo, I kind of want to get like, you know what a drumstick is?
Like an actual drumstick.
No, like the ice cream.
Oh.
Do you know what that is?
Let's search it up. If I can find my fucking Chrome. Alright, there you go.
Thing, bro, it's gonna get me demonetized. I'm not even monetized, but
Oh yeah, those shits are tough.
bro, you mess with those?
Caramel in the middle. Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Caramel in the middle and everything.
Ew, bro, I don't like the caramel in the middle.
What?
I like the chocolate ones.
Break even.
Guys, can we get one more like on the YouTube stream so we get 5? And then I'm gonna stop begging for likes. I really haven't begged for likes today. I normally beg for likes a lot more on my YouTube stream.
Oh, I think I put my stops way too high. I think that's why I got stopped out.
I'm at 8. Oh, bro, what? I am at 7. I'm not at 8. I'm at 7. But I didn't even, bro. My thing was not refreshing. I was checking it on. I refreshed it and it said 4. I don't know why. My bad. Dang, bro, my mom got me a chocolate donut from Dunkin' Donuts.
Who in the area code trying to call me?
For real, bro. Who's trying to call you? Nobody gets to call my boo like that.
Alright, bro.
Yo, you know in Naruto You know, initially the Susanoo was supposed to be a jutsu only for Itachi.
Hmm?
Did you know that?
Hold on, hold on. I wasn't listening. Stop that break even. Maybe let's get fried. Got the new plan. Okay, what'd you say?
Initially in Naruto. Um, um, the Susanoo was supposed to be only for Itachi.
And what changed?
What do you mean? Sasuke has a Susanoo, Madara has a Susanoo, Shisui has a Susanoo, um,
Uh,
Kakashi has one.
I'm saying, why did the devs allow him to? When I say devs, why
Devs.
did the writer?
Uh,
I say devs. That's what
Ki-
I
Kishim-
say.
Kishimoto thought it would, bro. I don't even know, bro. Maybe to make like I don't know, maybe to give Sasuke something to fight with, bro. Like, bro, you're telling me without Susanoo he was competing against Naruto in that final Valley fight?
Probably not. Yeah. Yeah, probably not. I don't see it happening. That's plot armor. Yeah. Yeah, that's not happening. Yeah.
That's not plot armor.
Naruto's Naruto created plot armor.
Naruto did not create plot armor, bro.
He's the definition of plot armor.
No, bro.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not, bro. He's just the MC, bro. That's his job, bro. He gotta overcome obstacles, or else the show wouldn't be about him, bro. Bro, you remember Tsunade's little brother? That boy had no plot armor. Bro, remember when the way he died, bro? It was his first mission, and he got all excited and ran in, and then it just blew up, bro. Bro, yeah, I see people posting like people will post it and be like, "Bro was the sorriest ninja in the whole show, bro."
Fucking love that guy.
Bro, and Orochimaru is the one who saw him die, bro.
Who was it? What's his name? Like Nawaki or something like that?
Yeah,
Or Naoki? Yeah.
that's like one of the funniest things I think I've ever seen, bro. What's up?
No, I was rewatching it.
But the way he died, the way he died.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, that it's funny, bro. I'll just randomly like I'll be scrolling and just like a clip of it'll come up, bro, and I just start laughing, bro. Yo, am I looking for shorts after the relative equal highs getting? I was looking for shorts now, but we didn't get anything. They're not like perfect equal highs, so I'm not like married to them. So like if we had gotten good delivery off of here with a short, I would have taken something here, but this wick actually is the reason I didn't take anything, dude. If we didn't have that wick, I would have taken the short. But that opening wick kind of messed it up. Because it's on the 1 minute here, I was like, oh, this like there's a chance there could be a setup in here, and go to the 30 second that wick just kind of yeah. Unfortunate. Bro, does that mean I'm gonna end the week red, bro? By half a trade. I couldn't even get that 1R trade earlier.
You win some, you lose some.
Bro, I'm not even proud of the setup I lost, bro. It's not, bro. Okay. Yo, one thing I've noticed since I started following my rules is that like I'm so much more like I'm not even taking as many losses. If you get what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, I hear you.
And then don't get me wrong, I've still taken some losses, but like through those losses, I've learned how to like read the market. Like, bro, like if we get a long setup here, I wouldn't have taken it until now. Now we sweep to the low. Like when we come that close to like a liquidity pool, like a low, like we have like and we create relative equal lows with it. Like let's say we don't make an exact like on the tick equal lows, but like if we're like relative with it and we don't sweep it, then looking for like a trade in the opposite direction is not like good. Like this one was off by a point, so it's not as bad. And it's not like if I go in the 1 minute, you can barely even see it. I mean, not 1 minute, you can see it, but like it's not even much of it's not much of like an obvious high or anything. I mean, I guess it is, but
I seen a
the
comment on NQ saying, "At what point the whole 2024 gains will be vanished?"
on what?
And that says 2024 gains will be vanished.
Who said that?
Someone in the mines comment on TradingView.
Oh, of course you look at that.
It's just funny, bro. Those niggas are just I just love how they look. I just love how they talk.
All right, so we do have this 30-second long here. Let me check higher time frame. So no 2 minute, no 1 minute. So we do have this 30-second. This 30-second doesn't look bad. Do we have an SMT? SMT would be good. No SMT. I actually don't like how we closed below that last 30-second. We didn't close below that 1 minute. So that 1 minute is holding. So we would have delivery here. We'd have delivery off that very, very last 5 minute. So we'll see. I think his name was Kawaki. Or is that from a different anime?
No, I think that's his name.
Kawaki. No, bro. Kawaki's from Boruto, bro.
Oops. If the week closes above 1803, we are gonna have some fun.
What did you just say? We're gonna have some what?
We're gonna have some fun.
I don't want to have fun with you, bro. What are you talking about?
Alright, bro. You make me sound like someone I'm not on your chat because they can't even hear me. Oh no.
They can't hear you. They can't hear you.
Oh, okay. I was about to say.
All right, let's see. What would I target? Target there. Rate limit order. 500. To switch to 4. Depending on how we close here. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so no inverse there. I'm kind of hoping actually we pull back and deliver off of this fair value gap before we inverse this. Just touch into it maybe. Don't want this to be invalid. Seems like it's going to be invalid. Is there an SMT here? And it's invalid, so. All right. So trade was invalid. Wow. Would have targeted 2R. But wow. It's kind of crazy. Good job. I've gone live for 90 minutes on TikTok. That's what it's telling me. It's telling me good job. Are you proud of me, Josh, for going live on TikTok for 90 minutes?
She bought a product bag because she's proud of me.
Bro, what are you talking about?
That's what little baby said.
Oh, wait, that's wrong chat. I'm trying to send out to the Discord. Dude, this is so annoying. So annoying that this was invalid. So thinking we could look for. Oh, that was okay. That's not in the macro. We do have the macro coming up actually. Damn, I completely forgot. We have macro in 1 minute. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the TikTok live. Thank you guys for joining up my TikTok live. No trades today. This sucks, but it's whatever. I'm liking my own TikTok live right now. I'm trying to get 4,500 likes, and then I'm gonna end it. Okay, all right, I'm ending it. I got 9 new followers on my TikTok live. Are you proud of me, Josh?
Alright, bro.
Tell me you're proud of me. Tell me you're proud of me.
Yeah, guys, what do you guys think about Logan?
Josh, I need you to tell me how proud of me you are, and then give me a reward. Yo, Josh.
I'm not saying nothing, bro.
Oh wait. I low-key might be missing a setup right now. Oh, never mind.
Okay, lock in.
Bro, charts are cooked right now, dude. There's just no fair value gaps. Well, there is, but we've been getting like none. Yo, what do I hit today? Legs or chest?
Legs.
Legs? You say you want me to get them thick thighs? You want me to give you those thunder thighs?
Alright, bro, I'm done talking.
Bro, that's a little gay, bro. There's something wrong with you, bro.
Yeah, me?
Why you want me to get thunder thighs, bro? Why are you telling me you want me to get thunder thighs, bro? Why would you say that? You know that makes me feel uncomfortable, right?
Yeah.
So why would you say that?
The Bitcoin does not have to keep going lower from here, to be honest. We do got a big structure.
I want us to sweep this high and get a short. But I'm not gonna lie, higher time frame has not been helping me recently on NQ.
Real shit. It's just been dropping. No really.
Like, bro, what am I supposed to do? There's nothing for me to look for. Like, we're just like, there's nothing to the left. Well, we just have liquidity on the left on in Q1. Bro, no way I'm looking at charts from January of 2024, bro, for liquidity sweeps. We swept liquidity from January 2024. Oh my gosh.
I'm actually gonna get so mad, bro.
579.
Just get liquidated.
You got liquidated, bro? You want my liquid? Bro, what? Yo, what is wrong with you, bro? Why are you being like this today? Yo, Josh.
Yeah, bro.
Why you being like this today?
Bro.
Yo.
Hold on, let me. Why did this?
All right. That 1 minute is holding. I want to take this short. Oh, wait. Okay. And it's invalid. Yo, bro. Oh my gosh. Everything, bro. It's all invalid. All invalid. Ugh. All invalid, bro. Why couldn't we just get a decent close on anything today, bro? Everything's invalid. That 30-second candles don't lie. This one was invalidated, bro. Look, it hit this first, so I didn't take it. If we could have just gotten a normal close, bro. Did it hit 2R? No, I didn't hit 2R. Yo, I would have been so salty. That hit break even. Unless you got like, I feel here. Like if it closed here, would have hit TP. Oh my gosh, no way this is going. No way this is hitting, bro. But it's invalid. It makes sense for it to hit though because we're in the macro. Makes sense for us to run this low too. But low key, how much lower can the market keep going? Like at a certain point, bro. Like yo, I'm actually thinking about buying calls. I know I've been telling you I've been thinking about buying calls for a while. But I want to if we hit 18,000 again, I might buy calls. Like right there. Like we go higher for the equal highs though. We don't have equal highs though. They're just like relative. We are building, what is it? Is that not really good LRLR. get a confirmation set up here. Just 1 minute. Doesn't look horrible. It's a big stop loss. No way. Didn't close like that, bro. Bro. No way. Let me see. All right, let's see. No way it's invalid. Yo, I'm about to crash out if it's invalid. Yo, Josh, you're about to witness me crash out.
I witness that every day.
How do you witness that every day? It makes no sense. Yo. Yo!
I'm about to crash out.
Yo, 3 invalid setups, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Yo, what happened to you? Yo, what happened to you? Yo, we both. Yo, the candle that. Bro, I crashed out at the same. I was gonna crash out at the same time, bro. Because I said I'm gonna crash out if it goes invalid, and this one was invalid, bro, at the same time that you started getting mad. Watch this hit the relative equalize, bro.
Actually, no, you can't share my screen. You're using 2 screens at once. Fuck.
Yeah, you can be on my second screen. Bro, another invalid setup, bro. What is going on today, dude? Everything's invalid and everything's hitting. Everything's hitting, bro. But it's invalid before we can even take it.
So this is. I'm never moving my stops to break even ever again.
Why?
Bro, look at this. Just look at this green candle shoot up my fucking ass.
Yo.
Okay,
You don't sound okay.
it's okay.
Bro, 3 for 3 invalid today, bro. Yo, why do you use those basic chart colors? Basic chart colors.
You know what? Let me change it. Just for you. Let's change it just for you. Yeah?
Oh, you're gonna do it just for me? What else are you gonna do just for me?
We change it. Scale right here. No.
What else are you gonna do just for me, huh? Yo,
Move.
ew, bro. Guys, he has a picture of Kevin Gates twerking as his background on Trading View now.
Alright, bro.
What? I'm just letting them know what you put as your background. Yo, black actually goes hard. Like black. But the problem is you can't make your background on Trading View black. It's like a gray. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So kind of I wanted my whole thing to be black. But it wouldn't let me do that. Bro,
I might keep this for a little while.
bro, I'm talking about the colors, bro. Why is it red and green? I'm not talking about the background.
Oh, you talking about my candle?
Yeah. Okay, so we do have a 30-second
Bro,
long setup
Bitcoin's
here.
fucking me in the ass right now, bro. Don't worry about my fucking colors, bro.
At least you didn't take a loss, bro.
I did it.
You could have lost money. Did you take partials?
No.
What? Then why'd you move stops to break even?
Not to break even. It was just it was here. Then I moved it to.
Oh, so you did take a loss.
Like $1.
What? How much did you risk?
Like ventures. I only risked like a 0.02 lot size. It wasn't a
But how
lot.
much money though? I didn't.
It was the original one was only like a $30 reward. That's it.
Oh, you're using live money?
Yeah. Nothing crazy today.
Yeah,
It was Friday and it's
nothing crazy, nothing crazy, nothing crazy,
nothing crazy.
bro. Nothing crazy, bro.
Our currency's in GBP, so kind of sick.
Bro, that 30-second looks good, but I don't like that we have the 1 minute above, bro. Kind of want to enter off the 30-second, but make sure the 1 minute closes above. Okay, so 30-second closed above, but I don't want to take it with that 1 minute still there. Dang, bro, we didn't even tap into that 1 minute. Dang, bro. Yeah, you guys are cooked if you guys took that. Bro, don't get it. Don't trade emotionally, bro. Come on.
No, I know, no.
You sure? You sure?
Fucking sure. I don't even like this.
Speak to me like that again. You're gonna turn me on, bro.
Alright,
Bro, yo, I'm gonna be like, what's his name from Hunter x Hunter?
He's so good.
Stop it! You're turning me on, bro. That's crazy that they wrote a character like that, bro. How do you write a character like that? It's kind of crazy.
Just means I'm a good trader, to be honest. That's all that matters.
Yeah, bro.
Lock in next time.
All right. No. Because I moved my stop to break even, bro. And you told me you're following your rules, and that's just how it is, bro. At least you didn't take like a loss. Yo, what are you thinking, bro?
I'm just gonna wait until price gets to my sell point.
Bro, you mess with this, bro?
I see. Those are tough.
That's what I'm saying, bro. The color's tough, and it's not like bro. I don't know.
It's not revealing.
I feel like yeah. Especially the top, bro. I feel like tops are like get really bad, bro. Like, bro, I wouldn't buy something like that. Like that one looks good, but like, I don't know. I don't like where is it? Like I don't like that. Like that's too much, bro.
Yeah, nothing. Oh, well, I see what you mean.
I'm talking about the top,
Yeah.
bro. And then there's like, bro, this one like I don't know. I don't know how people wear
Those
this, bro.
joggers with that top would be fire.
Bro, no. You want to know what I've envisioned, bro? Because I saw someone wearing this, and I was like, bro, I need to get that. Not like I said, not for me. I just don't. I don't like. I don't want to say anything like too crazy on stream. But anyways,
Yeah.
But look, this right here, this one, right?
Mhm.
With wait, that's men's. Here. Wait. Don't worry. With that, bro, that would go hard.
If she has a nice like upper body too, yeah. Oh, tough.
But literally everything's sold out, bro. Like what? How does that even happen? Why don't they restock, bro? If they're selling out that easily, why don't they just restock it? Like, bro, how does it say new? How does it say new? And then when I go on it, it's already sold out, bro. I'm telling you, I go on here like almost every single day trying to find it restocked, bro. Yo, my wrist still hurts a little bit from last night. I don't know why. Like, remember I told you it was hurting?
Mhm.
It's like
Checked out.
I went to sleep and I woke up and it doesn't hurt as bad, but I can still feel it a little bit. It's a little weird.
The two setup right here.
Also, 1 minute FVG on the left above. Yeah, I see the one. Yeah, that's why I didn't take it. That's why I didn't take that. The 30-second. So now that we've inversed all these 30 seconds here and the 1 minute, I want us to sweep this and maybe we could get like a long from down here. We could look for delivery off this 30-second, but nothing really here to take a setup off of unless we go on like 2 minute. We could put in a 2 minute here maybe. 1 minute doesn't have anything too clean. Give this. So we'd have to sweep it and just like pump, but because we'd have to deliver off of this. This would actually be really good if we swept this, because this would now be a protected low if we actually sweep this here. Get a long setup.
Always comes back.
912. 912. Oh, you're talking about this one. Sorry. Yeah, that one's holding. That's why, bro. That's why I would have taken partial at this internal here. Bro, we didn't even get an entry. This would have closed one more, like 2 more points up. We would have gotten in our entry.
Look how previous day lows. Minus fair value gap.
Do you just like mumbling to yourself?
My fault. Yeah.
No, bro, I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you. Why didn't I get into the 1 minute short? Because this, do you not see how low this is? So low. I just don't like it. I was looking for it to deliver off that 1 minute. There's, it's, bro, it's, I don't know. It doesn't look good, bro. I know stops at break even and probably hit partials, but I don't really care. I just don't like it. Because like the delivery's all the way up here. We've already had such a big move down at that point to where we're already in discount when we get the setup. Because we've kind of just been ranging all day. Let me do the range from... we did the news thing at 8:30. In discount, and even if it should be in discount as well here. No, it's not in discount of this. We just touched discount. But from 8:30, from when I got on my charts, we're in discount with that setup. So everything's working today. It's just everything's invalid at the same time. All right, so the macro just ended. But no way the macro just ended. I felt like it was over already. Yo, what? Yo, look at what. Yo, look what I sent you. Yo, why am I laughing like that? Yo, look what I just sent you. Yeah, Instagram. I sent you 2 posts.
Oh, I still got those
Oh, actually, I sent you a third one. I forgot about that one. That one just has to do with when we play Fortnite. Tell me which one you're watching first. Are you starting from the bottom and going up, or are you gonna start from the top and go down?
Which account did you send it to?
YM Trades.
Oh, let me log in on that.
Bro, why is it YM Trades says? Trade says. Trade says.
The way they killed the main character. I started dying when I seen that.
What are you talking about?
You sent me
YM Trade says.
no,
Why did you spell it like that? TRADESEZ. Trades.
it's like trades, but with a Z.
No, but you did trades with a S and then EZ. Bro, do you not?
Fucking give me the freaking username, bro.
It's like you wanted both endings. You wanted with an ES and an E and an EZ, bro.
That's all they. That's all the like, bro. That's all I can get, bro.
Yo, what is the market doing right now, dude? We're just slowly working our way down at this point. We just hit the 18,000 again.
Bro, what is bro training for? I've seen this one before. Yeah, this nigga's trying to hold a little girl.
Bro, she's so fat though.
Today, can you do the what? What is that? Oh.
Bro, look at the guy doing it though.
Oh my God. There's no way she gets turned on from that. I might be hating though. I might be hating.
Bro, I feel like doing that is one thing, but look at the guy who's doing it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's no way.
All right, and then go up to the next one.
I gotta see the comments.
Oh, you're talking about the one I just you're talking about the girl one?
Yeah, I'll never believe they're really in a relationship. She always seemed repulsed by it.
Ew, bro. There's no way, bro. But no, bro. But there's like some people are actually into that. Do you get what I'm saying? Yo.
Yeah, my fault. You said he was 1 HP, so I rushed him. I hit him for 90. He didn't die. Remember, I know where you live.
Wait. Scroll up. Watch the next two. Wait, watch the next two. Actually, no. Watch the next three. Watch the next three. Watch the next three.
And I want a friend with loving girlfriend me. What? I know so many guys like this too, and it's so bad. Bro, this is. Alright, bro.
Bro, watch it. The game actually looks good. Watch the rest of the trailer.
Alright.
Watch the rest of the trailer, bro. The game actually looked good. And then watch what the last one. There's one more. There's one more.
This is high quality, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. I did good this week. I ended break even also, bro.
569 trades is crazy.
Hey, bro. Profit's profit. In comments, lost to commissions.
All right, so looking for this low to get taken might be good. We do have this 30-second. This 30-second is really small. And I feel like, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like longs are just like lower probability right now. Josh, am I wrong about that? I feel like longs are just low probability right now. Like lower probability than shorts.
Probably right.
Cause normally normally longs have a higher probability than shorts. So
Yeah,
some
because all time it's you're still in the uptrend.
yeah, because the market's supposed to go up. But I feel like right now, I feel like it's the opposite.
Oh yeah, because we did break structure on like higher time frames.
Bro, we dumped $5,000, bro. Or $4,000, I mean.
Bitcoin does that on the daily. It's kind of scary.
Yeah, but also Bitcoin's a little bit different than like something that's supposed to show how good the entire United States is doing. Business wise. Business wise. Brady, do you know what that's from? Money wise. Money wise. Yo, please tell me you know what I'm talking about.
Nope.
Could you give me some help, money wise? Can you suck it? Bro, you never seen that video?
No.
Bro, it's like
No.
bro, it's actually kind of messed up, bro. It's like a homeless girl asking for help and she's like, "Could you spare me something money wise?" And the dude recording the video of the homeless girl asking for money, he's like he says like when she asks for money, he's like, "Well, can you suck it?" Bro, and it's some old lady, bro. Yo, there's no way I'm laughing about this, bro. Oh, it's so messed up, bro. That's actually so messed up, bro. The fact that he said that, that's crazy. No way we got another invalid setup, guys. Though I do want this low to get taken out, so it's not like it was like a crazy good setup. Want the sell side to get hit. Money wise.
Yes. 30, still doing bullshit. Oh, and I predicted this fucking drop by gold too, but just couldn't get it set up, so I can't get mad at it.
So the filter vampire. I'm here because I enjoy the truth.
Bro. No, bro. Yo. Yo, look at what I just sent you. No way, bro. No way my entry's invalid again, bro. And look at this. Bro, that would
Cute, bro. This girl definitely has an OnlyFans. Yep.
really, bro.
Oh,
I did not expect that, bro. I thought because bro, girls post stuff like that. I didn't think that would be like,
no. No. Whoever has the confidence to post something like that probably has an OnlyFans too.
dude, this is the fourth invalid setup that has hit in full that has hit in a take profit today. This is crazy. Bro, what do I do, bro? Everything's invalid. Bro, that's like crazy. Yo, this
Yep.
is crazy, bro. Look what I just sent you. But trading is boring, bro. Trading is fun and boring at the same time. Like it's like I like reading. Like I like that every single setup that I've looked at today has actually won. It just sucks that they've all been invalid, you know. But like,
What the fuck? No way you drop it on her head. Oh, I was about to say. Oh, you tie her hair. Oh, you are evil.
no, keep watching it. Keep watching it.
And she takes a selfie. Yeah, 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 yeah,
That's crazy,
yeah, yeah. Don't even send me anything for the rest of the day.
bro. Come on, bro. Yo, look at what I sent you, bro. Is this not true? Yo. This is yo. Please, listen. Look at it, bro. This is not bad, bro. Is this not true, bro?
Bro, let's go look at it. And recent is easy to beat lust. Not real shit.
See, bro. At least I got something real for you. Somebody said there's a 5 minute. I don't want to. I don't like 5 minute setups. You guys could take it if we get this, but I prefer to stay away from the 5 minute. That's just my personal opinion. I know a lot of people do use the 5 minute, but I choose to stay away from it. But that's probably the most real I think I've ever seen.
Actually really complicated. No, it fucking isn't at all. Jews are running society.
Bro, okay, bro. Yo, I cannot. I can't watch. I can't watch anything. All right. Sorry. Normally when it gets this late in the day, I kind of just like. I kind of lose focus, bro. I'm gonna get some water, and then I'm gonna lock in. I want to look for a long. If we sweep the sell side, if we sweep the sell side and we reject the end, that will be really good. Sucks that the long I wanted to take is invalid. But be right back. I'm gonna grab the water. Oh my gosh, I almost fell trying to take my slides off. So notice some. Damn. What happened to my chair? I feel like my chair went lower. My headphones are dying. Yo, Josh.
Yeah.
Yo, Josh. I'm not gonna lie, Josh. I can't hear you. My headphones are dead.
Oh, oh, you're lucky. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. I'm about to crash out on them.
I can hear you now. I heard all that. I have 2 batteries, bro. I just switched my batteries. Bro, I knew if I kept repeating your name, you were gonna get mad. And I thought it was funny because I couldn't hear you get mad because my headphones were off. Yo, actually, bro, I'm buying options right now. I don't care. I'm moving money. I'm gonna buy $100 contract. Did you accidentally buy puts? Yo, can I move money like instantly from? I need to do it on a debit card. I mean, I technically have a SoFi debit card I could do it on. I don't know what bank account I want to take money out of. Technically have a debit card, but I don't know the information about my debit card. Let me see. Checking. But the debit card never came in the mail. Activate the debit card to get it in the mail. I don't want to get it in the mail. Oh, I can only move that much then. Okay, whatever. That's what I'm gonna do. I can only do $100. Where is it? Earn rewards. I don't care about that. Deposit from debit card. Is that the right debit card? No, I hope so. All right. Um, Bro, what is down more? ES or QQQ? Wait. Oh, I have to look it on here. Bro, come on. Okay, actually I gotta lock in for a second. There's a 3 minute. There's a 30-second here that I actually missed. Damn, beautiful 30-second that I missed. Actually not beautiful. Really, really small for value gap. I hope we get a better one. I gotta open up a new tab. Go turn that down. You hear me? Bro. Oh, Q's obviously. All right. Yo, turn that down, bro. All right, bro. I'm about to crash out. Yo, yo, turn that off, bro. Oh my gosh. Yo, yo, turn it off. Pissing me off. You know that?
What happened?
You, bro, I kept yelling to turn that off, bro.
Oh, oh.
You're good. Yo, it says no one else is looking to buy this option. Should I even do it? Because I can't even sell it to anybody. Whatever. I'm just gonna buy. I'm just gonna buy. I'm gonna invest. I'm just gonna buy $100.
This would be a great time. Yeah.
And then
Fuck yeah. Saving or life saving.
yo. Okay. What the hell? Oh my. Yo. Yo, I didn't go to work so much last week that my paycheck was actually so small. Holy crap. Holy crap. Yo, why am I laughing about that? Okay, this 30-second long looks so good.
Your voice crack.
This 30-second long looks actually so good. All right, I'm putting money into SPY now as well. Put $100 into SPY, $100 into Q. What do you mean? I literally just moved $100. Transfers, deposit from debit card to there, 100. Transfer. Transfer completed. Good. Declined. Yo, how are you gonna decline me moving my own money? Yes. Oh, dude. I want to buy while we're still below 18,000, dude. You know?
It goes up to 20,000. It's not going back down to 18 right away.
That's what I'm saying. All right. There we go. Put $100 into SPY. All right. There we go. We're chilling now. Now I just don't even look at it. You know, because I never like it. I didn't do the options because I didn't have enough for that. So it doesn't even expire. So I can just leave it there for however long I want.
So what'd you do instead?
What?
What'd you do instead if you didn't do the options? You just
I-
bought the stock?
Yeah, I didn't have enough money to buy like because it said nobody else buys it. Like I said, nobody else is on the market for buying it. So I'd pay $100 for the option, and I wouldn't be able to sell it. How much did you pay for your option?
$77.
Really? Yours is up right now, though, isn't it?
No.
Or did it go? It went down when market opened.
It went down when market opened. It was so funny. I was up like a band 500.
Bro, what do you mean it's so funny, bro? What are you laughing about?
It's okay though. Like it's.
All right. Yo, I'm putting 50 into Tesla and 50 into Nvidia as well. What do you think? Yo, actually, some of these look so beautiful right now. Tesla is down 10% just on today. Yo, what about the Dow, bruh? YM. Dow's down on the year? Yo,
Yeah, it is.
that looks trash, bro. Even well, Spy's down on the year as well, but Spy's down on the year literally just because of the last couple months. Dow's been trending down. QQQQ is down just because of the last couple months. Yo, you don't understand how bad I wanted it to come here. It came down to the price that we're at right now at the end of 2024. Or wait, what was it? 2022. Wait, no. Let me see. It was 2024.
2024 August.
In Q1 daily chart. Um, yeah. Bro, I just wanted us to come to August. I wanted us to come to this low. This is literally exactly where I wanted us to come for me to buy.
So now you can take advantage.
Bro, I'm not should I even buy like direct stock shares like Tesla or anything, or should I just do like indices? I feel like it's just smarter to do indices.
Wait, you said for a call you buy 100 shares for a stock. You don't. You can literally buy like one share if you wanted to. Then, right?
Yeah. Well, you don't even have to buy one share. I just put in $100 and it bought part of a share.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It makes sense. Yeah.
What do you think? You think I do Apple, AMD, Nvidia? Bro, I feel like those low key might just be getting like. What do you think? I just
Dude, Apple's about to release a phone, so everyone's gonna be on that.
I have 100 more to put. I accidentally moved it 100 extra dollars. And if I'm gonna buy something, I'm gonna buy it now because everything's down. You know.
I'm gonna be back like in 20 minutes, and you get this shit started.
Okay. I'm gonna just put 50 more into each. Wait, it says 0 available. Wait. Did it update? Let me reset my thing. What is wrong with my... Why does it say... Spot my... Wait, why does it say 300? Okay. So I put 50 more into Spy. And I put 50 more into Q. Alright. We're chilling. Sorry guys. I was distracted. Putting in my investments. Now I just don't touch it, bro. I don't even care about it anymore. I don't ever have to sell it, so I can just leave it. I actually want to take some more money out of my savings to put it there. How do I... Wait. All right. I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to put in another 200. Bro, my bank's actually going to think like something scammy is going on, bro. Because I just moved $500 in 4 different, like, transactions. Okay. Let me go back on here for actual day trading. Let me see. No setup. Oh wait, the setup did actually play out. It would have been break even, but yo, I actually gotta plug my phone in. My phone's at 2%. Yo, what is wrong with this, bro? It's not letting me transfer my money. Keeps telling me that I don't have the money in my account. I just moved it. Oh, there we go. All right, we're good. $100 more there. And $100 more there. All right, now I'm done. Invested my $500. If price continues to go down, I'll throw in another 500. But yeah. All right. All right, there we go. All right. I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. I was telling my mom to put money in to Spy and Q. Bro, my back has a cramp in it. All right. So we're too low to short. What time is it? All right, we're coming into the 10:50 macro soon. Yo, Josh. Oh, he's on deafen, bro. What? Sorry, stream. If it wasn't that entertaining, I was trying to do my investment, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna go over price recently when I wasn't looking. So what I would have done if I took this, which I was going to, but where would I have done stop loss? I don't like how small that is, so I probably would have ended up doing 50 to risk 500. So no partials. I would have done break even. Break even would technically be here, so I might not have even taken it just because how close it was. I don't know. We don't have anything right now, so we're not in the macro yet. But the problem is when we do get in the macro, we don't really have anything. Seems like we're gonna go for this low as of right now. If we don't reject these. If we keep going down, bro, if we go to COVID lows, bro, I'm gonna throw some more money in. But that's not even COVID lows. Where's COVID lows? This COVID low? Yeah. That's really far though. I don't think we're gonna go all the way down there. And this is long-term investing, so I don't even have to worry about how much is in there. But next time I invest, I'm gonna throw in just a straight up 500. All right, sorry about that. We are just dumping here. I don't think we're gonna get anything else. Unfortunately. Oh my gosh. Down 1,000 on the day. I don't like this long here. Oh my gosh. I don't like this long here. Okay, so that would be the entry for that long. I don't know where you would even want to go to break even here. Holy crap, that's 200 ticks. Yo, no way that's a 50-point stop loss. Okay. So if you took this, then I would definitely do break even and partials there at 1R. This 3-minute is the first thing that I would really look for here. How long until this 1 hour closes? 6 minutes? Alright. Oh my gosh, bro. Just 1 micro is what I'll be able to use, bro. It's actually crazy. Two micros. Okay, so all right, so 1R was about here. That's where that was. All right. So we inversed on both. We're delivering here off of a 4-hour. If I could even draw it out, bro. Swept this low here. It doesn't look bad. I will move stop to break even before. We don't even have anything. Can't even say like before we tap into the 5-minute or something, but oh, I didn't see there is a 2-minute and stuff there. I low key might close this if we don't. I didn't even realize that. I should have paid attention to that there's a 2-minute. Let's see. Oh well, I'm gonna just let it play out. We'll see. Because if we do close above this, we'd be putting in an OB. I low key should have waited for the 2-minute to close as well, though. We'll see how this closes here. Yeah, I am over here on the right. All right, let's see if this 2-minute closes above. We'd be putting in an OB as well. Damn. Okay. Sorry about that. I will do break even at this high probably. So I think okay, we just inversed the 2 minute, put in that OB. We are in the macro, so we'll move stops to break even at this 2 minute high. We check for SMTs here with this 2 minute high. All right, so SMT there, so stop at break even with that SMT. Oh gosh, what is that, bro? Bro, I want to make sure it's just like a point, because I don't want to get stopped at break even too early. All right. So this SMT could hold us down here. Don't really want to see this SMT, bro. The stop is at break even, so yeah, it was unfortunate that I took the well, if you took the 2 minute, you'd have already gotten stopped at break even. So it might be fortunate that I took the 3 minute. But it's better to wait for that 2 minute. I did not even realize that there was the 2 minute there. The 2 minute entry was good though with the OB. It's just unfortunate that it's doing this now. Hopefully this 1 minute holds. That's what we can hope for here. This SMT might just be messing us up here. Move out of my way, bro. Damn. Getting razor notifications, dude. Okay. So I didn't lose anything on that. So the other one's just a blank. I haven't even touched that yet. Okay, so break even at that SMT. All right, so I'm done for the day there. 3 break evens and 4 take profits that we never got to take. Because they were all invalid. So yeah, let me send this. Maybe I shouldn't have moved stop to break even because I entered on the 3 minute and that's not even a high. I don't even know, bro. I don't know. I'm just gonna do this, send it to the Discord, and I'm gonna be done for the day there. So let's send it to the Discord. Trade recaps. Everyone, 3 for 3 break evens. And yeah, I shouldn't have moved stop to break even. That's crazy. All right, bro. I'm gonna get off before I get mad, bro. Cause like, what is this, dude? All right, whatever. I'm closing out my charts, bro.